Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and expert insights into the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of pest control with a product that's making waves, the Gopherhawk Single Trap for gophers and moles. If you're tired of dealing with pesky underground invaders wreaking havoc on your lawn, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. The Gopherhawk Single Trap is not your average pest control device. It's a game-changer in the battle against gophers and moles. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this trap offers a quick and humane solution to rid your yard of these troublesome critters. Let's talk features. This trap boasts stainless steel straps and a professional-grade build, ensuring reliability and longevity. And here's the best part: no digging, no baiting, and definitely no poison. Just set it up, and let it do the work for you. But what sets the Gopherhawk apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it's incredibly easy to use. With its above-ground catch indicator, you'll know the moment you've caught your target. And thanks to its innovative design, you won't have to dig or even touch the soil or the pest itself. Talk about convenience. And did you know? This product is from a small business brand, so when you purchase a Gopherhawk, you're not just investing in your lawn, you're also supporting small businesses. It's a win-win. So there you have it, folks. The Gopherhawk Single Trap for gophers and moles, the best solution for your pest control needs. Say goodbye to digging, baiting, and toxic chemicals, and hello to a greener, pest-free lawn. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy trapping!